Yeah, I went for a little drive in the S10, and I heard a horrendous noise in the rear end. I'm like, what the hell's that? As you can see it under here. Sounded like something was loose. Something was loose. That right there is going ting ting ting. So I either need to try to get that back on there, or I'm gonna have to cut it off, because I don't really want to take the yoke back off. Don't really need that on there, but it's kind of nice to have it. Keeps dirt and debris out of it. Let's see if I'm out in the hayfield driving around. Well, I kind of got it pushed back on there. Get this piece of metal here. This is my battery hold down. I just kind of wedged her back on there. I got thinking I could spot weld it, I guess. That should hold it on there, but I don't know if I'll do that anytime soon. At least it wasn't nothing major making weird noises. To me, it just sounded like a piece of tin rattle. I thought maybe that's what the problem was, and that's what the problem was.